Nice. Every shot is within like half an inch of each other. Feeling pretty accurate today. Hmm. Every arrow is going about where I want it to go, but they're not grouped very tight. At least I'm precise.
Accuracy. Precision. They're the same thing, right? I don't know. Let's talk about it. I'm out at this archery range, and I want to talk to you about the difference between accuracy and precision, and when you might want to use one word over the other. My name is Carter, and you're watching Outdoor Science.
In this context, accuracy refers to how close your shots are to your intended target. In this case, I'm aiming towards the dead center of this bag, and my shots aren't grouped together too tightly, they're several inches apart, but they're relatively close to the bullseye. On the other hand, you have high precision and low accuracy. That just means that your shots are grouped really tightly together, so they're close to one another, but they're not close to your intended target. Here, I was still aiming for the bullseye, and they're a little too far to the left. Ideally, you want high accuracy and high precision, which means tight grouping right where you're aiming. In this case, all my arrows land perfectly within the bullseye. Just like shooting a bow, accuracy and precision are critical in the lab, especially when using a pipette. Accuracy means hitting the exact volume you're aiming for. If you're pipetting 100 microliters, accuracy ensures it's truly 100. Precision, though, is about consistency. Can you deliver that same 100 microliters every single time, tube after tube? In experiments, you need both. Precise but inaccurate, your results are reliably wrong. Accurate but imprecise, your data's all over the place.
Now, it's not the end of the world if you get these two words confused or use them interchangeably. Most people will get what you mean. But it is important to understand the distinction between the two whenever you want to have a serious conversation about archery or science, because they are very different. For example, if you're extremely precise but not very accurate, you might need to adjust your sights on your bow. Or if you're really accurate but not very precise in the lab, you might have really bad results, or at least inconsistent results. Ideally, you'd want to be accurate and precise, meaning every measurement or every shot is relatively similar and relatively close to the truth, which is maybe bullseye or where you're aiming, or a known quantity or measurement.